Do you need a last minute gift that doesn't involve sprinting through the malls? I have an idea for you. Quince gift cards. Yes, they have them on their website. You can print them right out. Or do you have money left over to splurge on yourself? Maybe you got a Christmas bonus, or maybe you're planning to tweak your wardrobe as a New Year's resolution. Quince orders placed today, December 20th, 2025, will land on your doorstep by New Year's. I've been having some fun myself doing that, and I've got 17 outfits styled from 20 different Quince wardrobe pieces that I'm about to bring you in this video. Hi, my name is Lisa, and just like my channel name, mixing and matching all these Quince pieces is truly an adventure in styling. Check it out and tell me how I did in the comments, and don't worry, I can take it. If you're new to Quince, don't worry, I was less than a year ago too. In a nutshell, think silk, cashmere, organic cotton, affordable luxury, and classic design. If any of this inspires you to tweak your wardrobe, I am numbering each outfit below with all the items that went with it. You can click on the links and go straight to them on the Quince website. So let's dive in and get started. First up is the Mongolian Cashmere Sweater Tee. Does it get more luxe than cashmere basics? Super soft and lightweight, this short sleeve cashmere sweater is a year-round staple that layers seamlessly under cardigans, blazers, and I put mine under a cashmere v-neck. I wear cashmere on cashmere. It comes in 13 colors, and I am wearing the heather shaded rose pink, which I think is kind of a new color for them. And ladies, I recommend that you size up in this. It can be a little see-through when it's tight fitted. For just under $45, that price beats all Nordstrom Rack cashmere sweater sales I've ever seen. The Bella Stretch Straight jeans also come in 13 colors, and I am wearing wine tasting red. And I thought this was just a fun and different color combination. This would look great under a leather blazer or add a scarf for a touch of pattern. The jeans are premium super stretch denim that are made to move with you while also retaining their shape, and they're made with organic cotton for a super soft hand feel. And they're $50 for this level of quality, and Quince has a 365-day return policy. I've switched out to the 100% organic cotton roll neck sweater in ivory, and I am so bummed, ladies, to report that this is sold out. Not even a waiting list. Normally with Quince, if something is unavailable, you can join a waiting list, and within a week or two, it usually comes back into stock and they will email you about it. This time, I don't know what's going on. I'm going to contact Quince and see if I can find out. I'm also going to ask them if they can make this in other colors, and I will put what I learned in the pinned comment. If you don't have your heart set on the roll neck, they do have a ton of varieties of crew neck organic cotton sweaters, and they are similarly priced. And they're going to be coming in my late December Quince video. So stay tuned, subscribe, and come back and see me for that video. And these sweaters tend to range between $39.90 and $49.90. Outfit 3 switches us out to the Bella Stretch Kick Flare jeans, also only $50. Amazing for this level of quality. 10 denim colors, and I am wearing deep reds. The fabric composition varies slightly, but the majority of them are cotton. I think all over 85% cotton. And the sizes range from 24 to 33 and come in 3 inseam lengths. I plan to buy more colors and more size combos. Amazing, they've held this price all year despite inflation. I'm enhancing outfit number 3 with the Mongolian Cashmere Ribbed Beanie. It's unisex, but I'm not sharing. It's ribbed and made from a soft grade A Mongolian cashmere, and the adjustable folded cuff allows you to adjust it to your personal style. 9 color choices. If you've watched my Quince playlist before, you know I am all about these Quince colors. It's the perfect luxury gift or gift card suggestion for only $34.90. Already have a suede bag or jacket? Why not add the loafers? Building on outfit number 3, I've added their Italian suede penny loafer. It comes in sizes 5 all the way up to size 11, and they are 100% Italian sheep suede uppers with 100% cow leather lining. They are Gucci style luxury in your choice of 3 colors and $84. Okay, I'm calling this outfit number 4, outdoor outfit. This puffer claims to keep you warm down to minus 39 degrees. I don't know about that, but it definitely kept me warm up to the low 30s and also looks so stylish. The fabulous faux fur hood and belt are removable, and I love all 3 available colors of this. The brown, the gray, which I'm showing, I was drawn to the gray, and the black. The shell and the lining are 100% recycled nylon for a soft satin finish, and the fill is 90% goose down and 10% goose feathers. Why is it called a responsible puffer? The responsible in the name means it meets down standard certified, which ensures the best practices in animal welfare and ensures the down and feathers used in their products are sourced responsibly. At $170, this coat, I think, rivals designer coats without the responsible in their name. Outfit 5 is the Bella Stretch Wide Leg Jeans. Again, only $50, so much less than what I typically pay in a Stitch Fix box for a premium brand. 12 colors, 4 inseam lengths, and sizes 24 to 33. These are so popular. Grab these anytime they come in stock so you don't have to be on a waiting list. I really wanted this light denim color for spring, so I already grabbed them now. Outfit 6, so many outfits I can make with my Quince wardrobe. So we're not even halfway through. But this is the 100% organic cotton crop cable crew sweater. And to be honest, I sent this one back and I kind of regret it because this green color is no longer available. I'm struggling with the drop shoulders and it felt a wee bit too cropped and boxy for me, but that's the style, kids. Anyway, it's certified by Okiotech Standard, which ensures that no hazardous substance are present in the sweater. I do love the cabling on it, and for 100% organic cotton, I might go back and get the camel color. For outfit 6, let's add the Italian leather Mary Jane ballet flat. I'm so grateful for this Quince collaboration where they gave me credit so I could purchase these before they ran out. February reds are coming, and if you waitlist for these, you'll be sure to get these in time. They're an Italian leather upper and cowhide inside for $89.90. For outfit 7, I'm doing cashmere on cashmere, like I mentioned earlier, layering their famous Mongolian cashmere V-neck sweater, which is $50, and I'm wearing the black. There are 12 colors of this sweater, one for every month. What is Mongolian cashmere anyway? This cashmere is sourced from goats in Inner Mongolia, and they stamp it as ethically produced. This V-neck looks really sharp over a white t-shirt, as well as how I'm wearing it here. For outfit 8, I am bringing back the rolled neck sweater. I'm sorry. I hope it comes back. And one of my favorite pairs of jeans, it's the Bella Stretch Straight Jeans. Let's all say this together. $50. Such a good price for such a quality jean. I love this grayed out color, and they have 14 colors and 3 inseam lengths. Mine have been washed at least a dozen times, accidentally in warm instead of cold, and tumbled dry lightly and then air dried, and they have held up beautifully. With outfit number 9, we are getting into the silks, and with Quince, they are washable silks. And I'm bringing back to this video from my prior ones, the 100% washable silk skirt in wine tasting red. That and the redwood brown are 2 of my favorite Quince colors. Anyway, this is crafted from washable 100% mulberry silk in a satin with an elastic waist and comes in 13 colors or patterns and is $69.90. And I love how silk skirts are staying in style these past few years. I'm wearing a small, and unless mentioned otherwise, all of these clothes are fitting true to size. For outfit 10, I'm wearing this gorgeous 100% yak wool turtleneck sweater. Crafted from 100% Tibetan yak wool. It's so soft, and this is one of my favorite casual outfits from this haul. Quince lists this as produced in BSCI, Business Social Compliance Initiative, certified factories which aim to improve working conditions throughout the supply chain. This sweater is $69.90 and comes in 3 colors, and I'm wearing a small. Look number 11 is back to silk with the washable stretch silk puff sleeve blouse, and I am wearing a small in forest green, another fabulous color. It comes in 4 colors in total and sizes extra small to extra large and is $79.90. We are getting up there to the Ever Eve level of prices, but this one is so cute. I've not seen this gorgeous color or style anywhere else. Even the buttons are superior quality and they're done in the same color as the fabric. For number 12, I layered the Mongolian Cashmere crew neck sweater in varsity red, layered over the green top. Hate to cover that adorable top up, but love the tidy look of the collar under the crew neck. And for the holidays, of course, you get a pass on wearing red and green all you want. This comes in 14 colors and is a bit thicker than the crew neck tee and fits true to size. And for this, I am wearing it in a small. And if you found this on sale for this price at Nordstrom, you would not find this variety of colors and sizes available to you. I also have the washable midi silk skirt on with this outfit in black. For look number 14, I'm recreating what I saw on Lisa D1's YouTube channel about a month ago where she was styling V-necks with no layer underneath. So we are back in the black Mongolian cashmere V-neck sweater and the Bella stretch wide leg jeans, recreating her look. She was also wearing extra rings and her bracelet bracelets over the sweater cuff. It's an elegant and drapey casual look. She had on shuts or a similar boot, and I am wearing a very closely shaped boot, but mine are from Walmart. Okay, in this one, I have just switched out the black silk skirt for the Bella wide leg jeans with my cute green and red combo I'm doing for the holidays. And that's just yet another way to style all these together, getting quality for an affordable price. For look number 15, I am back in keep warm mode in the lightweight down packable puffer jacket. And I'm wearing size small, and the color is this beautiful red wood brown that I mentioned earlier. This one is also filled with 90% goose down and 10% goose feathers, and is engineered to keep you comfortable down to 2 degrees Fahrenheit. This is my go-to coat now. I wear all the time. My weather's getting down to the low 30s, and it is keeping me warm. This one comes in a hooded version, which I actually wish I got here in Oregon because it's so rainy, and 4 different colors. And part of it is a small pouch that you can pack it into. At $70, this jacket, the level of quality and what it does rivals a lot of sports companies' jackets like this. So that is it. Thank you for watching this Quince Adventure in Styling, where we've mixed and matched a lot of Quince's popular items with new things that they have. Some things new to me, some things I already had in my Quince wardrobe. The links to all of these are in my description box. Don't forget that there's also a gift card you can get if you need it in time for the holidays. Please like and subscribe, come back and visit me, and have a wonderful holiday.